Online payday loan, no credit check. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We never know what financial crises we might get into or what type of sudden expense, such as car repairs, might come up. So to overcome such situations, it is important to know loans such as online payday loans that have no credit checks. Today, in our video, we are going to discuss this topic in detail, exploring what these loans are, how we should apply for them, the best platform to get loans from, etc. To get to the official website, follow the links in the description below. So stay tuned till the end of the video. What is an online payday loan? No credit check loan. Online payday loans are a type of loan given to employees or people with a good income source who are struggling with poor credit or no credit and need immediate financial assistance. These loans are given to the borrowers based on their monthly income, and the loan should be paid right after their salary is credited to their account. The online payday loans with no credit checks don't have any credit checks, but they may have some high interest rates. However, by selecting the right lending platform for payday loans, you will have the chance to get the best payday loans at low interest rates. Top 5 online payday loan lenders with no credit check. As we learned all about what online payday loans are, now let's look at some of the best lending platforms you can look out for to get these low interest rates payday loans easily and effectively. Here are those. Jungle Finance. Jungle Finance is the perfect option for you if you have a varying credit score. Jungle Finance offers loans up to $5,000 without any credit checks and has a flexible repayment period of up to 48 months, which is great for people who want to have long repayment periods. They have interest rates between 5.99% to 35.99%. On average, the interest rates are decent for the present market interest rates. So, if you are looking for a personal loan option for your financial needs with a low or varying credit score, you can look at the Jungle Finance lending platform. Low Credit Finance. Next on the list, we have the Low Credit Finance platform, which is known for the no credit check loans. You can get a loan up to $50,000 with interest rates between 5.99% to 35.99%. However, the transactions and withdrawal process at the Low Credit Finance are automated and secure, so you do not have to worry about your information getting leaked or waiting for the loan disbursement. Once the loan is approved, you quickly get the loan amount to your bank accounts. Also, Low Credit Finance has an easy and fast application process that you can apply for in a few simple steps. Credit Clock. The next lending platform is the Credit Clock, which is also one of the personalized financial lending platforms that offer loan amounts ranging between $100 to $5,000. Credit Clocks have an easy application process with competitive interest rates. Also, they allow all kinds of credit card scores, so you don't have to worry about low credit scores. The loan term at the Credit Clock is up to 12 months, which is best for users who want to have a quick repayment period. If you want a lending platform without any hidden fees or credit checks and have a quick withdrawal process, then choose Credit Clock. Big Buck Loans. Big Buck Loans offer fast, secure loans for people with no credit checks, so it is the best option for people with low credit scores. Big Buck Loans provides loans between $100 to $5,000 with a term of 3 to 24 months. Also, Big Buck Loans have pretty much the same interest rates as others on our list, which are 5.99% to 35.99%. Additionally, Big Buck Loans offer same-day cash withdrawals, which are handy for people who are looking for quick loans for their financial needs. Heart Paydays. The Heart Payday lending platform is the best option for people who are looking to get a personalized loan with no credit check. The Heart Payday lending platform provides loans between $100 to $5,000 with a term of up to 12 months. They also have similar interest rates, with an average of 5.99% to 35.99%. However, at Heart Payday Loans, you can apply for the loan no matter what credit score you have. They accept all kinds of credit scores and provide a quick loan withdrawal process. It is a great option for people who are looking to have straightforward and quick loans for their financial needs. How to apply for an online payday loan. We now know the lending platforms that are best to apply for an online payday loan. However, you don't have to worry about applying for the loans in these platforms. It is fairly easy and quick, completed in minutes. Visit the platform. First, select one of the best platforms from the list that sets your financial needs and requirements. Next, complete the registration form on the leading platform, which is quick and easy. Now submit all the required documents such as income proof, identity, and other documents, along with the application form, and submit the form. Receive funds. Connect with a lending partner from the network of the lending platform, discuss the loan terms and conditions, and accept the loan offer given by the lender. You mostly see the loan in your registered bank account within 24 hours of approval, and you can use it for your financial needs. To wrap the information, online payday loans are one of the best options to look into if you are going through a financial crisis, as they are fast and secure. However, make sure to select the right lending platform according to your needs that has low interest rates and long repayment periods, so you can easily clear the loan at your convenience. To get to the official website, follow the links in the description below. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one.